What's good, beautiful people? Today we're about to watch some people versus nature. And if you know anything about nature, it rarely lose. Appreciate everyone that take the time to drop a comment. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell. And without too much long talking, let's get to the video.
Oh, get out!
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh!
Oh, she's going.
God.
Oh.
Yo, that literally took everyone off their feet. I saw a couple there, like they tried to hold each other and probably to try to gain more mass or in strength. I don't know. But that knocked the two of them off. Like everyone just slide back, bro. You ain't go in. Oh, this look like the next one. What the hell?
Oh my god!
Uh-oh. Wow. Oh, shit. Whoa. Bruh, that looked painful. Like every time I ice or hail or whatever that is, every time something hit the glass, I just feel like, oh crap, oh goodness. Yet again, after the first one, after the first crack, you might as well just keep riding because what else could it break? Wow. Bro. That's crazy.
Oh, you're not looking back?
Uh-oh.
Oh,
Uh-oh.
bye-bye. Oh!
We call that a wipeout.
Oh, the fuck was on camera?
Wow.
Yeah, one more time! On the hole!
Oh my. No way. No way. How does she feel like that makes sense, bro? It's literally still currently raining, and you have the nerve to have your glass down while trying to empty water out your car. Oh my god. You know what'd be crazy? If she had the sunroof open as well, and I don't put a pass on. Yeah, you get what you're looking for.
Holy crap.
Damn.
Oh, just busted my window.
Wow.
Holy crap.
Wow.
Oh my god.
Fam, I appreciate the fact that I don't be in a lot of places that hail a lot because that is truly dangerous. Like, if that can knock out windows, I'm pretty sure, like, if that gets you somewhere across the brain, that could cause brain damage. Just don't. Oh. Yep.
Did you see that?
Have fun.
Did you just see that?
Wow. Oh, goodness. No way this
Heavenly
real.
Father, please help us.
Fox.
Please help us to be safe.
Oh my god. Bro, that looked like a movie, bro. A complete horror film to be exact. Wow. Or a hell type related movie. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Cock. Yep. Saw that coming. Ooh. He seems a bit calm. Hypothermia should be now, because that have to be cold water if that's ice.
Broke her window.
God damn. Uh-oh.
Oh, she still got the camera.
Oh.
There's a bigger one.
Wipe out. Wipe out. Wipe out. Yep.
Oh my god.
Oh my. Fam, like I've been on those rocks before. That must have been painful. To wave the water move them. So that had to hurt. And them rocks sometimes they sticky. Like they could break bones and stuff. They definitely could tear flesh if you slide and cross them. Ooh. I know that hurt. I just know it.
Hail is like baseballs here. It is ruining our house. We've got holes in the roof
Damn.
everywhere. They are
Damn.
the size of baseballs.
Look at those. Bro, No way. I can't live nowhere where they hail, bro. Where hail happens or whatever, if I say that right.
Jesus, come back here! Oh my God, baby, the bloody London body missed. Holy bloody mother of God!
God damn. As shocking as that is, I still want to laugh at this man's reaction. Holy mother of God, bro, the bless again, baby, get back here, bro. He surely was terrified. He forgot that girl was in the back there. Like, he was like, oh, get out of there. Oh, oh, oh. Now that is wild. Now that is wild. She is a savage. She was like, oh, not for me. God damn. Oh my. Oh no. Oh hell no. Come on, bro. Bruh. Bro, hear me out. This woman is super savage. She is on another level of savage. There's nothing like she don't even look like she is moving. The wind moves her. Wow. Why are you even out in this type of weather, bro? Goodness. Uh-oh. 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 Wow. That was close. That was real close. God damn.
Oh, jeez. That's gone.
Well, hope the insurance covered that. Wow. Holy shit. Man, they need to put that one in slow motion. That happened like, oh, the blue. Strike that tree and that's that. Bro, lightning is a serious thing, bro. Whoa. Whoa.
Holy I got it!
What the hell? Is that ice? What the hell? Bruh, I have never in my life seen some crap. The water is pushing the ice over the. Okay, that is different. That one, I don't think I've ever seen that.
And right down here is the penis of snow my wife found.
Okay.
What is that again, honey?
Oh, damn. Bruh. They some huge rocks that coming out the sky. They are huge. God damn. Look at how big they. Oh my god. Oh boy. Whoa. That one came from the blind side. I didn't even expect that one. Like, obviously, you know that don't make sense. What the What the? Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm confused. What? Wait, is that considered a mudslide? So like, I don't even know if that's an island or whatever. So like, that whole piece just gone then. The ocean will devour that eventually, and all the houses, whatever farm or whatever piece of land that was, that's a part of the ocean now. That's crazy. Whoa. Whoa.
Hang on.
Oh my god.
Uh-oh.
Oh my god, mommy! Oh my god!
Trampoline
Mike,
gone.
Mike, look at your line.
Uh-oh. What the hell is that? That lava? Uh-oh. Kaboom. Nice Mustang. Earthquake. Smart guy. Whoa. Need to watch out for the trees. Wow. I've never experienced an earthquake in my life. That must be terrifying. Like, the world just shaking for no reason. God damn. Wasted. KO. Him too? Oh no. Oh no. Get out of there. Get out of there. What? I would been out of there. Like sprinting type out of there. Like, ain't no way. I may forget some things. I may leave things just to get out of there. Hell no. One side of the cloud blocked, the next side dusty brown. I'm out. Oh. Yeah, well. Yeah, well. Oh, shit. Was that a tent? Like lightning happened to strike the tent, bruh? Oh boy. Oh boy. That don't look good. Damn.
That is incredible.
It really is.
As I've seen on YouTube when they've been hit by lightning before, I've seen the trees do it on videos, but I've never seen one for real. Yeah.
Wow. So you saw that puddle there, and nothing in your cerebellum was like, I should stop. I don't feel like you deserve this completely. Wow.
Hang on, Marie, hang on.
Oh wow. Poor Marie. Oh crap. Ooh. 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 That fish happened to catch him on the very spot. Painful. Oh.
This is stupid. Oh, this is so f***ing stupid.
God, you know.
I flooded the engine.
Dunce. Dunce. So you see an engine, scratch that. You see a car like 20 feet in the front of you having problems. And you want to be big bad gangster and try the same thing the car having problems from? That don't make no sense.
We gotta let it go. We gotta let it go. We gotta let it go, guys. Back up. Turn into it. Turn into it.
Oh crap. Ooh.
Oh boy!
Wow. What the hell? Bro, what is that? What the hell is that, bro? Is that ice? No way. No friggin' way. That's complete frost? That's crazy. Thanks for watching. Those were some clips of some people versus nature. Make sure to hit the like, drop a comment. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell. See you in the next one.